Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make matcha at home. Here we have the matcha powder. It's very good. It's from China. Here I have my Breville coffee machine. Okay, it's ready. It needs maybe 1 or 2 minutes to make it warmer, and it will be good. My pitcher. We need a milk and matcha powder. And here I have my secret. It's a honey without logo. Blackberry honey. Actually it's from Dubai, but it's made in India. So, what do you need? You need to put your matcha in here in your pitcher. 1, 2, 3. You need hot water. Usually for matcha it needs to be used the special equipment, but I have only my spoon. Okay, a little bit honey, just a little bit. Actually it's not sweet, it just will make it a little bit better. Okay, shake everything. You need a milk. I use actually lactose-free milk. I love it. It's cool. Okay, your matcha is ready. You need just a cup. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.